Do you struggle to write content that keeps your people's attention all the way through your videos? If this applies to you, then it will be ultra important to watch this video all the way through from start to end and share this with your friends. Also, be sure to crush the like button and most certainly hit subscribe. Great. Now that you have done those things, let's dive right into this. I am going to go through the 7 best AI writing tools of 2023 to help you with your content writing. Number 1 on the list is ChatGPT, a versatile tool that can assist with various writing tasks such as email messages, blog posts, social media captions, and more. It requires precise commands but allows you to refine your ideas using different prompts. For example, you can generate a resignation email to your 9-to-5 boss and make it friendlier or more succinct with additional prompts. ChatGPT is like the AOL instant messenger of AI, marking a significant breakthrough in generative AI. However, it still has limitations when it comes to content and passes plagiarism and AI content detectors. Number 2 on the list is Content at Scale, a tool built on AI bots that helps create unique at scale. It aims to bypass AI content detection algorithms and offers a time-saving approach to content creation. You provide the title, target keyword, a brief description, and a desired word count, and Content at Scale generates a full-length article for you to edit and improve. Number 3, Originality.ai is another valuable tool that scans the web for plagiarism and compares your content to its records. It helps detect AI-generated content and ensures that your work doesn't raise any red flags with search engines like Google. Number 4, WriteSonic offers article templates and ideas to speed up content creation. Its AI Article Writer 3.0 can generate a 1,500-word blog post in minutes, and providing headlines, intros, outlines, and even a built-in editor called Sonic Editor to further enhance your content. Number 5, Surfer's SEO is a must-have tool for serious content creators looking to optimize their articles for organic traffic. It uses AI to analyze top-ranking websites and provides suggestions on how to improve your own content structure and optimization. Number 6, next we have Copysmith, an AI-powered tool that helps with copywriting. It can generate various types of content, including product descriptions, ad copy, and social media posts based on your input. It streamlines the copywriting process and offers creative ideas to make your content more engaging. Number 7, lastly, Conversion.ai is an AI platform designed to assist with writing, marketing, copy, and content. It offers a wide range of tools like the long-form assistant that generates blog post ideas and headlines. Analyzer. That helps craft attention-grabbing headlines for you. To summarize, these 7 AI content writing tools provide valuable assistance in generating ideas, optimizing content, and improving the writing process. While AI can significantly speed up content creation, it's important to remember that human editing and customization are still very crucial in the creation process to make it high quality, unique content. If you would like to learn how I apply these tools to help in affiliate marketing strategies to make money online, comment AI tools below, and I will be personally reaching out to you. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to hit subscribe.